So this is the look. This is a beautiful soft glam look that can be worn as a beginner with oily skin, large pores, textured skin. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me, hi, my name is Sindy Akpolo. Good to have you here. You're most definitely welcome. Today, just like you have clicked on the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup, and this is going to be in-depth, especially if you are a beginner, you have oily skin, or you have large pores or textured skin. Look no further, this video got you. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve a flawless soft glam makeup for beginners with oily skin, textured skin, or large pores, because I have large pores. So I'm doing this in depth to make sure you have your flawless makeup. First off, I'm gonna start using a primer, and guys, if you know by now, you know that I don't skip using a primer. I'm gonna be using a mattifying primer because I am oily skin. If you have dry skin but you have large pores, you can use a pore filler primer to fill in your pores, especially the areas where you have large pores, and hydrating primer to hydrate the other sides or the rest of your face. Just gonna apply the primer on my T-zone area. And for foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. This is a matte foundation, guys, and I love this foundation on my skin. And I'm just gonna apply the foundation on the areas of my face where I need coverage. Just look at how that foundation blends flawlessly and beautiful on my skin. So around the center of my face where I have large pores, I'm gonna apply some of the foundation on that area, and I'm not applying a lot of foundation on that area because I don't want to clog my pores or kick up that area. And I'm going to be highlighting my face, and I'm going to place the concealer on underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead area, just to highlight those areas. To blend that out, I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge to blend it, and I'm blending starting from my forehead area. I'm also going to blend my under eye area using the same beauty sponge. I'm going to be using the cream blush, and I'm going to place the blush on the high point of my cheekbone area, or on my cheekbone area, and I'm also going to avoid the areas where I have large pores. You don't want to bring the cream blush towards that area to make it more prominent. So I love topping over with a second layer of concealer, so I'm going to be using another layer of concealer just to highlight or brighten in my under eye, the inner corners of my under eye. And I'm going to blend that out using a damp beauty sponge just to blend around the inner corners of my under eye area and not spreading it out. And next, I'm going to use a setting powder to set my under eye area, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I'm just lightly pressing the powder and pushing it into my skin. I'm going to proceed on to using the powder contour, and I'm using the powder palette to contour my face. I'm going to contour my forehead area and also the hollows of my face. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the same powder from the same powder palette, and I'm mixing two shades from the powder palette together. Next, I'm going to move on to set my cream blush, and I'm using the blush palette from Zickel. Okay, so now that we have this, next I'm going to move on to setting my face using the setting spray, and I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus, and it is the matte one. So I'm going to spritz this all over on my face to take off the powdery feel, so everything blends to my skin. So I'm going to proceed on to baking my under eye. To bake my under eye to cash out the eyeshadow fallout, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in Sahara. So moving on to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Focolor Twilight eyeshadow palette. For this look, I actually don't know what to create. I'll just stick to what I know with the browns. I think brown actually looks good on me. You can switch up your eyeshadow. I love using brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to place it on my lid space and blend it out just lightly and softly. I'm going to use another shade of brown. Just place that on my lid space. I'm also going to apply a shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eye just to make it pop a bit. To dust off the powder from my under eye, I'm going to be using the exact same powder palette to dust off the powder and press it or push it to my skin. Alright, so for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Candid Glow by Younger Beauty. This is in O'Shea. Alright, so I'm going to be using the brown lip liner to line my lip, and I'm also going to be topping that over with another liner from Elsa's Pro. This is in the shade Burgundy. Right, for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Elsa's Pro nude lipstick in Nude 03. I'm also going to top that over with some lip gloss. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is a beautiful soft glam look that can be worn as a beginner with oily skin, large pores, textured skin, and your look will still come out flawless, wouldn't wear out, and your pores will not appear more visible or appear as visible as they were, and you can still rock your beautiful glam look effortlessly without looking too much if you follow through the steps of these techniques provided here in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did create it. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Leave your video suggestion in the comments down below as well, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on my official uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and check out my other videos for other product recommendation or other tutorials regarding oily skin, textured skin, and large pores, and other videos you might find interesting to stay connected.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.